Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Before I start this video, I would like to say that I had a few votes for the cars you want me to do first, and I made a little selection of them cars which you picked. I hope I picked the right cars you wanted me to do. So there was one vote for the Peugeot Cassar, one for the Firebird, one for the little Lazi-Low van, 3 for the Porsche. I think this Porsche you wanted me because I had 2 Porsches, so I picked this one for the Porsche. I had 2 votes on the white Land Rover Rollomatic. I think one of these ones, one vote on this lorry, and one vote on the Shell lorry. So these are the ones you picked. So I'm going to pick, obviously the Porsche had the most votes, so I'm gonna do this next. And after that will be the Land Rover. And before I start the video, I also would like to, I'll put this away. I also would like to say that I gave the Ford Sierra to my friend and she was really happy, as you can see on the picture. But she had her mask on because it's coronavirus. But she was really pleased with the car and she said a big thank you for me. And she thinks that her partner will be really happy with the car. So that's a good cause. I'm really happy for that. And I hope that he's gonna enjoy the car. So in this video then, guys, I'm going to start this Porsche. This is a Matchbox Superfast Porsche 928 1979. So this will be my next project. So let's get started. So we have our Porsche finished. Let's start with the base. So I painted the base with aluminium, and I also refurbished the wheels. So I put the wheels back already, and they look alright. They look nice. Suspension is great. Did polish up the windscreen, and as I said in the other video, I need to get the floor polish so I can make it better. But it's still alright in one piece, not much crack on it. And I also updated a little bit the interior. So I painted it, whoops, I painted it with primer, and I've done the seats with red and the gear knob and the wheel with black, and then I sprayed it with clear finish. And here we have the car. I haven't done much upgrading on this one. I did paint the Porsche sign on the front with gold, and just the two side indicators red, as you can see. And first I painted the car with gold, but I didn't like it. It looked like a fake gold coin. So stripped down again, and I went for the black, which was the original color of the car anyway. So here we have finished, and let's put it together. And this has got only one screw. So here we have the car finished. I hope guys you like it. This is the first car from the list you required, and I think it looks good. Nice finish. I do like the car. So if you guys like this project, give me a like and leave some comments down below. I'm always happy to read your comments and answer them. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe as well. And thanks for watching my videos and my channel. I really appreciate that. And if you remember when you comment, please let me know where you're texting from, where you're watching from, because I only see a few countries like US, UK, Canada, Australia, Italy, France and Germany. The rest I don't know where you're watching from. So if you don't mind to let me know where you're watching from, I appreciate that. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.